Today we're going to show you a new mod. I think at least it's an attachable grinder mod. So yeah, right in this chest I have a couple of tools to show you. So yeah, there's a dirty grinder and there's an attachable grinder, and we have some mobs. And basically, I think how to undo this is simply by doing. So how do you do this? You do that. You add attachable grinder plus that dirty grinder. So you got two of these. So I have a couple of spawn eggs, which I need to get two more of those attachable grinders. Okay, yeah. So we have four right here. Four spawn eggs. So let's start with the sheep. Put them on. Put it on. Put it on. Like I said, that doesn't work. This. Oh yeah. And then they'll start. Where'd the sheep go? I don't know, but, oh, they die. Well, that's poor pig. Touchable grinder. Yeah. And then, guess he'll see that. And eventually he'll have to die. It's the sad part. We have our last subject. Come on, come back here! Oh, I'm so sorry. Maybe I should not use the sturdy grinder. Touchable grinder. Yeah, there you go. There you go, you good sir. You only dropped one. So yeah, yeah, just gonna clean those off. You can just get a water bucket. Yeah, that's basically it. So there's not really anything really cool about this mod, except if you wanna, if you wanted, let's say if you wanted a creeper farm, which one I can create it for. I'm gonna die. So you place that guy down. You let him drop some of your things. Like if you want to make a creeper farm, but it's gonna probably get harder. Yeah, and they're just gonna die. It's just the sad part. I just wasted one attachable thing. I think there's a recipe for it. Survival recipe. Oh yeah. So you need. And then, wait, do you get a dirty one? Wait, okay. So if I was to make one, probably don't. And then redstone. Red. Done. Redstone. So once you got all this, you can just simply make your attachable grinder. And there you go. You can go get you can just go and try to get a mob, like this little poor little piggy, die. And the good thing is about it is when it drops, it'll drop off a good amount and it'll die. It's like, I mean, it's pretty good if you want some stuff, but you just pretty good. I definitely try out the mod if you need a farm, but it just dies. So yeah, guys, I think I'll have to end the video off here. It's just a short video, so guys.